Cocktail channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coffee Collins. Now the coffee Collins is a spin-off on the original Tom Collins cocktail, which called for gin, soda water, fresh lemon juice and simple sugar syrup. With the coffee Collins it omits most of those ingredients, in fact all of those ingredients except for the gin, and we add Kahlua, tonic water and fresh orange to garnish instead. Alright, it's been a tough week at work. I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to start making this drink. Let's get on with it. Alright, first things first, we need a shot of gin. We need a shot of Kahlua. I'm going to give this a stir now. I'm going to add my orange. And I'll give that another stir. And then I'm just going to top this up. Whoop. Top this up with tonic water. And voila, we are done. Cheers. Yum. I love this drink. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Maybe I'm boosting the score because it's been a tough week at work, who knows. But honestly, the unusual combination of tonic water, Kahlua, gin, it really works for me. And if you like gin and tonics and if you like coffee, you need to try this. You really do need to try this coffee Collins. It's bitter, yet it's got a sweet aftertaste. Alright guys, I'm going to get out of here and drink this drink. So if you want to see me, Goochie, make more cocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and that you subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great weekend and I'll catch you next week. Bye.